Hi, I'm Luisa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Claire de Lune Peony out of crepe paper. We're going to start by making the 3 big stamens in the middle. For each one of them we're going to use some floral wire and some tissue paper. We're going to use the tissue in order to give it that volume without using too much crepe paper. And now that we have all of the 3 stamens, we can stick them together and then glue them to the big stem of the flower. And now let's continue with the yellow part of the center of the flower. You can of course use just one big piece since it's the same height, but I find it's easier to work in segments. This is a type of flower where you want to make the cuts as thin as possible. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. to glue on the back of the flower as well, just in order to give it a bit more stability and make sure that the layers don't move around. And now let's start working on the smaller petals. And now that the first layer of petals is done, we can start working on the second layer. We're going to make these cuts only for half of the petals. These decorated petals are going to be on the inside of the flower, and the ones that are intact are going to be on the outside. On my channel I have an entire playlist dedicated to crepe paper flowers, so you can make a bouquet perfect for any occasion, no matter the season. I even have some different kinds of peonies if you want to make a bouquet only of peonies. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!